people saying, well, why don't you have Ash and Chris Rollins host it and just get rid of you because I'm old and ugly. And ideally that would be great, but someone needs to be here to push all the bustle to the mix.
Cheers.
But Jcmagic7 with a $4 super chat.
Hey. Oh, thank you, El Smeghead.
Idiot that flew a drone near the Blue Angels jet. Yeah, we covered that on TNL, Thursday Night Live.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, that.
I'm sorry, just to say as well, Sky Fox, meatballs. Thank you.
I will say this. The Blue Angels video, that guy emailed me again after the show. Yes, and he said I removed the video and I apologize for being stupid or something like that. And I said, look, we didn't want to make you feel bad. Just wanted to, and that's why I didn't use his name. Just wanted to let you know that that was wrong and illegal, and you're going to get a lot of gump for it if you don't take that down. So he did, and
which is good.
Yeah,
I mean, whether he'll learn from it, but then again,
he absolutely did. I know he absolutely did. I have confidence that. Yeah, and
but
I
then
think
somebody flies a drone into the path of jets during a public show doesn't easily learn their lesson. Why? What's the mentality behind somebody?
Well, look,
you know
you have to forgive people because this is a drone
them
channel.
And taking all of their cues from the movement of that aircraft. And as you saw right there,
look at that.
When that pilot